Hi students, today we will learn about exercise 2.2 problems, remaining exercise 2.2 problems. The fourth problem is which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. So first the given AP are 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. So here first A is equal to 3. D is equal to common difference. D is equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. So we want to which term is 78. So that term we will take it as nth term. So nth term equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we will take an as 78. So 78. And a is 3 plus n we don't know and d is 5. Common difference is 5. So 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 78. Then 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So 5n minus 2 is equal to 78. 5n is equal to 78 plus 2. So 5n is equal to 80. N is equal to 80 by 5. So 16. So n is equal to 16. That means the 16th term is, therefore 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. Next problem is find the number of terms in each of the following APs. First one is 7, 13, 19 and so on to not 5. Here I will take A is equal to 7 and D common difference equal to 13 minus 7, that is 6. Then I will take an as 205. So an is equal to 205. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We will substitute the values in this formula. An is 205 and a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 6. Now 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So 205 minus 7 is 198 equal to n minus 1 into 6. So 198 by 6 equal to n minus 1. 33. So n minus 1 equal to 33. That means n is equal to 33 plus 1, that is 34. So number of terms in this AP are 34. And the next problem is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and so on minus 47. Here also same, we will take A is equal to 18 and D equal to 15, 1 by 2 minus 18. That means 31 by 2 minus 18. So that equal to, take the LCM as 2 and 31 minus 18 2s are 36. That is 31 minus 36 minus 5 by 2. So D is minus 5 by 2. Now AN is equal to minus 47. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the values in the formula. So minus 47 equal to A is 18 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18. So minus 57 plus 65. So minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. This minus and this minus gets cancelled. Now n minus 1 equal to 65 into, I will transpose to this, then we will get 2 by 5. So 5 13s are 26. So n minus 1 is equal to 26. So n is equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27. So number of terms in this AP are 27. Next problem is check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So first we will take the common difference. So first A is equal to 11 and D common difference. D is equal to 8 minus 11, that is equal to 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. And we will take this A3 minus A2, 5 minus, so this is A2. A3 is equal to, so this is D1 and D2 equal to 5 minus 8, that is minus 3, and A4, that is D3 equal to 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. So the common difference D equal to minus 3. So these are in AP. Now we will take AN is equal to minus 150. So we will find 150 is in this AP or not. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So minus 150 equal to A is 11 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 3. So now 150 minus 150 minus 11 equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 equal to minus 3 into N minus 1. So minus 3 gets, minus gets cancelled. So 161 by 3 equal to N minus 1. That means N equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. That implies 164 by 3. So N is equal to 164 by 3. But N is a positive number here. So minus 150 is negative. So minus 150 is not a term in the AP. Next problem. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So first we will take the first term BA and the common difference BD. So they gave 11th term is 38. So 11th term equal to, so A plus 11 minus 1 into D. They give A plus 11 minus 1 into D is equal to 38. And 16th term is equal is so A plus 16 minus 1 into D is equal to 73. For this 11th term I will write this as A plus 10D is equal to 38. I will take this as first equation. And for the 16th term A plus 15D is equal to 73. So this, I will take this as a second equation. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, that means minus, minus and minus. 10D minus 15D minus 5D is equal to minus 73 plus 38. 73 minus 38. Five, 45. Sorry, 35. So minus 35. And this minus gets cancelled. So D equal to 35 by 5. That is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7. And next, find the 31st term. Now we will find the value of A. Substitute D in first equation. Then A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. So A plus 70 equal to 38. A equal to minus 38 minus 70. So A is equal to 2, 3, 32. So minus 32. A equal to minus 32 and D is 7. Now we will find the 31st term of AP. So the 31st term of AP is 31st term. So A plus 31 minus 1 into D. So A is minus 32. So minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 into D is 7. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7, 210. So 31st term is equal to 210 minus 32. That is equal to 178. So therefore 31st term of an AP is 178. Next problem is, if the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So first, third term, that is A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 4. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. And next, ninth term, that is A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 8. So A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So from solving 1 and 2, A plus 2D is equal to 4, A plus 8D equal to minus 8. Minus minus plus. So minus 6D is equal to 12. So D equal to 12 by minus 6, that is minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. Substitute to D in first equation. Then A plus 8 into minus 2 is equal to, A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So A minus 4 equal to 4. So A equal to 4 plus 4, 8. So D equal to minus 2 and A equal to 8. Now, which term of this AP is 0? So we will get A value and D value. Then we will AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So which term of this AP is 0? Then I will take AN as 0. So A plus, A means 8. 8 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2 equal to 0. So 8 minus 2n, 8 minus 2n plus 1 is equal to, plus 2 is equal to 0. So 8 plus 2, 10 minus 2n is equal to 0. So 2n is equal to 10. That implies n is equal to 10 by 2. That is 5. So n is equal to 5. So therefore, fifth term of an AP is 0. Fifth term of an AP is 0. Next problem is the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So first of all we will take let the first term be A and common difference be D in AP. So 17th term. So now 17th term is equal to A plus 17 minus 1. Sorry, 17 minus 1 into D. And the 10th term equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So that means from the question the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term. So that means we will write A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. So that means A17th term is A plus 17 minus 1 into D, that is 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. So this A gets cancelled and 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. 16 minus 9, 7D is equal to 7, D equal to 7 by 7. So D is equal to 1. So therefore common difference is equal to 1. So common difference is 1. Next problem is two APs have the same common difference. The difference between the 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So first of all, let the two APs, let the terms of two APs. Terms of two APs are A1, A2 and so on like that. A1, A2 and so on like that. So first 100th term of first AP. 100th term of first AP. That is A plus A1 plus 100 minus 1 into D. 100th term of that is A100. And 100th term of second AP. A100 is equal to A2 plus 100 minus 1 into D. So that is A2 plus 99D. Here also A1 plus 99D. They gave the difference between the 100th term is 100. So the difference between these two terms, that is A2 plus 99D minus A1 plus 99D is equal to 100. So A2 plus 99D minus A1 minus 99D is equal to 100. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 100. Now what is the difference between their 1000th term? So first 1000th term of first AP is A1000 equal to A1 plus 1000 minus 1 into D. That is A1 plus 999D. And 1000th term of second AP. A1000 is equal to A2 plus 1000 minus 1 into D. That is A2 plus 999D. They are asking the difference between. So difference is A2 plus 999D minus A1 plus 999D. So A2 plus 999D minus A1 minus 999D. So A2 minus A1. Here we don't know the value, but first from first equation A2 minus A1 is equal to 100. So therefore A2 minus A1 is equal to 100. So the difference between the 1000th term is 100. Next problem is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So the 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 are 3 digits. So 105, 112, 119 and so on up to 994. So now we will find the numbers of these terms. So now we will find the difference, common difference. I will take this as A1, A2, A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN. So A2 minus A1 is equal to, so that is 112 minus 105, that is equal to 7. Similarly A3 minus A2, that is 119 minus 112, that is equal to 7. And A4 minus A3, that is equal to 126 minus 190, that is 7. So here common difference D is equal to 7. Now here we will take A is equal to 105 and D is equal to 7. Now we will find the how many number of terms in between 105 and 1994. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we will take AN is 994. 994 equal to A is 105 plus N minus 1 into D is 7. So 994 minus 105 is equal to N minus 1 into 7. So 994 minus 105. So 894, 889 equal to N minus 1 into 7. So N minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. 7 ones are again 18. 7 twos are 14. 49, 7 sevens are. So N minus 1 is equal to 127. N is equal to 127 plus 1, that is equal to 128. So therefore there are 128 3-digit numbers. 128 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. So there are 128 3-digit numbers divisible by 7.